Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Dramatic Faces is the name. Do not be hard on yourself. I'm just reminding you, everyone is wonderfully and fearfully made. If the look doesn't come out exactly like mine, take it easy. Have fun with the makeup. This is just a simple brow and eyeliner tutorial. Have a blessed day. I'm using Too Faced's Shadow Insurance Eye Primer. I'm applying this from my eyebrow all the way down to my eyelid, and I make sure that I get the outer corners of my eyes really well. A good eyeshadow primer is a very good base so that the makeup adheres better and you won't have patches of the makeup skipping those areas. I am taking MAC's 224 Fluffy Shader Brush, and I'm taking Sephora's brand number 25 foundation as my eyeshadow base. And I'm just going to tap that on gently. I don't use a swiping motion. I just literally take the brush and just pat it on. You can find a neutral color, which I would recommend. It don't have to exactly be eyeshadow. It could be foundation, as I'm using. That's close to your skin tone to neutralize any discoloration of the eye area, as you can see the difference. So from here to there, it's smooth and it's an even color, and from here you can see that my eye is slightly different. I'm taking MAC's Spiked Eyebrow Styler to shade in my brows. After applying my brows, and one of them may look darker than the other, it's because of the lighting. I'm using Stila's Stay All Day Liquid Eyeliner Micro Tip. I really like this eyeliner because it could get all the way in to my inner corners, and as well it may be a good purchase for someone that their eyelid area may be a little bit smaller than mine, and where you can really get in there with the details because it's so tiny. And I'm using Sephora's brand Waterproof in black, their eyeliner. As you can see, the brush is bigger than the other, the Stila brand. And I like to do my wings with this eyeliner. I know I'm using two different ones. It's a great product to use. I start from the end with my liner and then drag it over. I try my best to keep the wing part pointy. I try not to reconnect the end of the applicator back on that same spot, because then it could get thicker and thicker. I'm using Maybelline's Total Temptation Mascara. I'm big on the type of brush that is used, as well as the formulation. For me, the brush comes first and then the formulation. If you take a mirror and look up, you can really get your bottom lash line really, really well. Something simple, nice and fresh. And I thank you for tuning in.